Today we're working on a 2003 Ford Ranger with 3.0 liter engine. We're going to be replacing the coolant thermostat.
Perfect.
With a pair of pliers, remove the upper radiator hose. Then remove the two 10mm bolts that hold the thermostat housing. Then remove your thermostat housing from the engine. Clean up coolant. Then remove the thermostat. Clean the surface with a razor blade. Get some parts brake cleaner, spray it on a rag, and wipe the surface dry. Compare and make sure you have the correct thermostat. Install your supplied gasket. Install your thermostat. Use brake cleaner to clean off the surface of the thermostat housing. Dry with a rag. Scrape the surface clean. Then apply some gray silicone gasket maker. Reinstall the thermostat housing. Reinstall your 10mm bolts. Then reinstall your upper radiator hose. We're using full strength antifreeze from O'Reilly to keep this engine running cool. Let the engine reach operating temperature and you're good to go.